Hey guys, today I am adventuring out to a place called Sturgeon Falls. It's right by Nutimik campground. It's very windy outside today, so let's see if I can get some videos and some drone footage, but I am thinking I won't be able to. I'm also using my brother's GoPro today. He recently got a GoPro. I'm like, let's see if I can do like the vlogging style videos on a GoPro because it's much smaller and it will be way more accessible and easier in public places rather than carrying my camera. I am in the process of getting like a smaller camera for myself. Let's see if that comes by. I'm pretty sure that'd be way better, but for today, let's see how this GoPro does. Most of the vlogging videos like these ones are gonna be made on the GoPro. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to say with the field of view over here. Yeah, Sturgeon Falls, absolutely amazing. A small hike, but completely worth it. So let's see how this day goes. Okay, one of the biggest selling points of having a GoPro for any kind of video production or video shoots or any kind of videos is the size. It's this small. Like, let's just say I am a vlogger and vlogging to a GoPro that's the size of this is way better, and my anxiety is way low than vlogging on something that's like huge like this, right? There are many different like attributes as well for it being so small that you can do so many things. Like, I'm in my car right now and I can go through the steering wheel and still talk to you guys because it's so small, right? So if you're trying to go into like small cracks and crevices to show some stuff to people, you are very easily to do that on a GoPro than a big ass camera this big. There's a bench over there, just like 5 minutes into the hike, and what I do is I jump on this bench and I look over there. Longest hike is in Canada. It's right here. It says world's longest hike. It starts or ends all the way in St. John's, and it goes all the way in like Inuvik. But yeah, world's longest trail. It's 22,000 kilometers long. Yeah, definitely check it out. That's what all the information is. And that's the bridge. Absolutely beautiful at the bridge. So peaceful, so peaceful. You can turn left for Sturgeon Falls and turn right for Pine Point Rapids Trailhead. Okay, so another great thing about GoPro and vlogging on a GoPro is stabilization. So I do a lot of hiking stuff. I'm hiking right now. I'm recording this while I'm walking on some rocks, and it's very stable. So if you do that kind of content, GoPro is pretty good for you. Manitoba skies. Perfect. I think it's time to bring out the bug spray. We are running back to our car. Not running, but rushing back to our car because we forgot bug spray. We're back to our cars. It wasn't a long hike. It's actually a very small hike. It takes you about 20 to 25 minutes to get to Sturgeon Falls from the Nutimik campground. That's where I go from. So you come in to the campground and then you just park to the side and you just go in from there. Yeah, so from Nutimik campground all the way to Sturgeon Falls, it takes about like 20 to 30 minutes to get there. This is not for hiking, right? This is like a normal stroll, normal walk, but it's absolutely beautiful. The bridge, Nutimik bridge, is absolutely amazing, and Sturgeon Falls are absolutely amazing. Only thing you have to worry about is bug spray. Bring bug spray. If you come later in the day, if you're coming in midday, then I think you should be fine. But yeah, back into the car. We're gonna drive back home, which is an hour from my place, hour and a half from Winnipeg downtown. I would recommend checking this out. If you are camping in Nutimik campground, then 100% check it out. But if you are not camping, then it's up to your own discretion. If you like the videos, then definitely check it out. Yeah, this was a great time. I will let you know how the GoPro videos go. I don't know if they're gonna be good or not, but we will figure it out together. Right as we pulled out from the camping site from Nutimik, we see a rainbow. Absolutely stunning view. This is the first time I've ever seen a purple color in a rainbow. It's a full rainbow. It's absolutely beautiful. We're in the middle here. It's absolutely stunning. I took some pictures here. Hopefully if the pictures turn out good, I'll put them in the video too. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just looked at all the GoPro footage that I just got from yesterday's hike. When it comes down to it, I would say a GoPro is a very good equipment that you can have for your vlogs. It's small, the videos are stabilized, and it is very budget friendly. I would absolutely recommend GoPro if you're actually on a budget, because buying DSLR or a mirrorless camera is a little expensive. For me, $1,000 Canadian is expensive. So most of the cameras are above that, and if you actually factor in the lenses, that's a lot more expense. Even like a small little phone, like an iPhone 11 that I have, if you want to buy it outright, it's more than $1,000 Canadian. When it comes down to budget, I would say the GoPro that I'm using right now, it's $260 something Canadian. That is very, very budget friendly for the amount of quality that you get with this GoPro. So absolutely, I would say GoPro is a very good equipment that you can own for your vlogs. When it comes to other stuff, I don't know. I'm saying for your vlogs and your adventure videos like snowboarding, longboarding and all that stuff, kayaking, GoPro is a very good equipment.